Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Wireshark stable release 4.6.4 on Windows operating systems. Either it may be Windows 10, 11 or servers. Okay, first go to Wireshark official website. It is wireshark.org. Then click on download now. Then select Windows x64 installer. See, download started. Go to downloads. See here its size is about 92.5 megabytes. See, download completed. Now click on this exe file. Click on next. This is the license agreement. Just click on noted. Click on next. Now we have to select the components. I want to install all. So just select it. Click on next. Create shortcuts. Associate file extensions. If you want, select the checkbox. Then click on next. This is the installation location. If you want some other, click on browse and select the path. Then click on next. If you want to install Npcap, select the checkbox, then click on next. If you want to install USB cap, select it and click on install. This is the installation has been started. This is the output folder. Npcap license agreement, select I agree, install, click on next, click on finish. This is for Npcap. This is for USB cap. Select the agreement, click on next. Again, install, close. We have successfully installed Wireshark 4.6.3. Click on next. I don't want to reboot now, so select this. I want to manually reboot later. Click on finish. Now go to all applications, show applications, then go to the bottom. See here we have the Wireshark. Click on it to open. See, you got the Wireshark application. If you want to capture the packets, just you need to click on this start capturing packets. If you want to verify the version, go to help about Wireshark. See, we have installed 4.6.3. Okay, you can go through the documentation and you can practice. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Wireshark latest version 7.4.6.4 on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.